how to add or remove the media page on the home screen for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So this is the media page right here on the home screen. If you don't like that page, you can remove it. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. This will open up the quick settings panel. Next, tap on the settings icon. And from here, we scroll down and tap on home screen. Next, we scroll down and then tap on add media page to home screen. Now tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. If I turn it off and go back to my home screen, you can see that if I swipe all the way to my left, then it does not show the media page. And here, if I turn it back on, I can now view the media page. I can also choose whether to show Google Discover media page or Samsung Free media page. So this is the Samsung Free media page. So here I can set up, tap on the continue button, and that's it. That is the Samsung media news page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.